I don't know. This is a small little single track here. Whee! Don't hit the mirrors. They're little bunny ears. Oh, I took off my safety glasses. I like to wear safety glasses so I don't get flapped in the eye when I keep my visor up. Is this a trail? I do not know. Where are we going to go? Yeah, I think it's a trail. And I've got a spider crawling on my nose. Ooh, that's funny. Okay, whoa. Holy cow. Alright. Oh, this is steep. I'm on. This looks like a bit of a Hare Scramble section right here. Except usually they're going up. Whew, I don't know where to go once I get down there. Ah! I'm just walking up the brakes and sliding. Okay. Woohoo! Oh man. Oh, I'm really worried. I get down here and I don't know how to get out. Whew, all right, well, up we go. Come on, by that man. I know those are tree roots. We're going over them. Oh, there we go. Attaboy. That wasn't as scary as I thought it was going to be. Well, that or my talent level has risen. Because that looks really scary before. Yeegaw. Ooh, that's a lot of rocks. Ooh, that's a tree. Ooh, ah. We're going around. Okay. Whee. I think I'm on a trail. I think I'm on a trail. I think I'm on a trail. Come on, bud. You just go. I don't know which way I'm going to point you, but you just go. Yeehaw! Okay. And I don't know where I'm going to go now. It's just such a... Oh, there we go. Woo! Boy, Mr. Motostorm, I'm really... That rear sprocket's really working nicely. Yes, it is. I thought I was going to kill it a few times, but he just keeps it chugging. My old sprocket would have said no, and I would have died. I would have just said bleh. Woo-hoo-hoo! Part of me wants to change back the front to the 15 sprocket, but then when I get into stuff like that, I'm like, no, I need that 14 up front, you know. So, it's always a compromise. It's always a compromise. What are you going to give up? You going to give up top end? Or are you going to give up bottom end? Ow. 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 Oh. I had my eyes closed. Oh. Okay. I'm a little trapped. Oh. Okay. Oh, that's a lot of mud. See, I was going to those low branches and I closed my eyes because I didn't have my safety glasses on. I didn't want to get hit in the eyeball. So we lay down in the mud. Just a little lay down there. Whew. Okay, start her up again. Oh. Oh, that's not good. We're going to wait. We're going to be patient. So, well, but that man, flooding issue goes away. Oh, that's not going to help. I'm going to shut her down. Once he gets started, I think we'll be okay. Look at that. It just caked out with the mud. Just caked everywhere. That's what we love about the mountains. You get to go play in the mud. Whew. Whew, I need to go by that river and clean that man off. Oh, what a day, what a day. Just the beginning of our day. Pretty place. Not too much color yet. I mean, there is, but you can't really see it. So, come on, but up. Let's hook me some more, so that's not a good idea. Okay, wide open throttle. Oh no. Come on, but I need you. You can't die on me right now, bud. I don't have the power or the strength of my own body to make you come out. You have my straps there. Oh no, the battery's gone bad. Okay. Let's find neutral. Okay, I'm gonna have to deroad for this. Got a jacket on underneath, blocking the wind. Oh yeah. That's a lot of deep mud. Well, I got him out of the Sarlac Pit. See, I came over there and just, I mean, that was a good foot deep right there. I mean, it was all the way up there. I probably started to put that right. But, oh, now I'm getting mud on my fingers. Used my trusty straps and hooked onto the front and pulled a little bit. Then I moved it back and released the smudge from the schmuck from the rear tire there. So, fun day. And if he would start, I don't think this would be a problem. I think I could have probably powered out of there. I charged the battery last night. Or I charged the battery before I left, I should say. It wasn't all night. And hate it when I have to get new batteries. Just hate them. Absolutely hate them. I think that's even a gel pack battery. So why is it doing this? I don't know. But that's what happens when you buy somebody else's equipment. So now that I'm dressed a little cooler, I'm going to put my safety glasses on, and I'm hoping that that's a hill up there and I can get turned around, because as of right now he's not going to crank. If we come over here and come down the trail, see there, that's the branch right there. See how low that is? That's going to hit me right in the eyeball. Oh, speaking of, I got to put my safety glasses on. So I don't pop. And the reason I wear safety glasses and not sunglasses is because of all the shade. If I was in the sunshine of the desert, I'd be wearing sunglasses. But I need to clear. Watch him start. Nah, I'm not even going to try it. I've already tried it a few times. Okay. Okay, about up. And we go pushing our bike through the woods. Pushing our bike through the woods. We're looking for a hill. Yes, we're looking for a hill. A hill that will make my man start. Oh boy, that's not good. I don't want to push it through that. That would have been fun to ride through. Yes, it would have been. Man needs to start. He needs to go barum. Barup, barup. Barup. Okay. We're getting there. Look at that tire. Oh, that's funny. Look at that. It's just collecting all the leaves. Collect all the leaves as you ride. Just get your muddy tires. Who needs a rake? Okay. Come on. It's a bit of a hill. I see it, by that man. Come on, we're gonna go down the hill now. Oh, this mud is making it not want to go. Okay, I'm gonna have to give it a running start. Ah! Oh, never mind. We're gonna do this. Let's clean this up first. The leaves are getting all stacked up. And it's making my bike not want to roll. Okay. Clean it out. I gotta think of some good music. That's a lot of mud. Mud and leaves. Mud and leaves. Okay. That's why those BMWs have those one things on their tires. Okay, come on, butt up. Come on, butt up. There we go. Key on. Second gear. Third gear. Yee-hoo! Yeah, we roll again. We rolling again. Let's try to stay upright this time. No more rubber side up. He's got a good channel out there in Las Vegas. Hey, we're moving again. Wow, the bamboo forest. There we go. Flip off a lot of that mud. Give me some spin. My front tire still feels like it's... Woohoo! Okay, we out. We're rolling. Hopefully we're charging the battery, so we don't get stuck again. That was not fun when it wasn't starting. Oh, let's see, where am I now? Where am I? We went from mud to dirt, to dry dirt. Oh, it's hard to go how fast to go when you've never been on the trail before. You've never been on the trail before. So where do we go? What do we say? Oh, that's a big rock right there. That's what we say. Holy moly. Oh, and then we're going to go this way now. Wow! 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 Okay. Oh, I think I've been this way. I think I have. I think I'm headed down towards the river. That's where I need to go, to the river. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, my clutch is stuck now. Get out. Yeah, that's where we are. I know where I am. See this little covered bridge? It is so pretty. Vroom, that's a good sound right there. That's a good sound. Okay, we're going to go clean off the tires. Clean off everything else. Ooh, the backfire. Alright, here we go. There's a little stream. It's just a little tributary to the bigger river over here. You can go clean off the bike. Clean off the bike. Clean it off. First gear. Yeah. Yeehaw! Did that help? Did that help, or am I still just a muddy mess? Not bad. Not bad. Let's get a picture. Ready? Snapshot. Snapshot. Very nice. Maybe I should upload that. Go to find a place to upload that. That'd be cool. You can do a Facebook thingy. Oh no! Come on. Shake some of it off. Shake it off. Just shake it off. There we go. Your front sprocket case in a while. That's probably why a lot of guys don't run these things. Look at that. That's just a lot of mud. I think I probably blew off 10 pounds of mud from this guy. Mud and leaves. Mud and leaves. So, take it apart, spray it off every now and then. Woohoo!